Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today videos I'm going to talk about the way to create a calculate system. It's going to calculate the total payment of what they ate, and this is the form, and this is what it's going to be look like when I finish it. And yeah, let's get started. Here, as you guys can see, I already created a form in Visual Studio. And if you guys want to see, I already showed you guys how to create a form and how to go into Visual Studio. If you guys want to see it, the link I will put in the description down below. But don't stop the video now. Go watch it when finish this video. The link is in the description. And as you guys can see right now, I already created a form. So right now I'm going to toolbox and pick some tool. I will pick first thing is label. I will need kind of a lot, maybe 5 or 6. Then I'm gonna need some text box. Then some tool I use it here is the same as my last video, but I will show you guys some new tools that I'm going to use. So let's see what my form look like again. Okay, so I only need 2 text box and 4 combo box, and so only need 2 text box. So I'm going to delete it, and then I'm going to get combo box. So this combo box is a new tool that I'm going to show you guys with this video. So I will need 4 of them. Put it here. This combo box is allowed you guys to keep data in it. You see this arrow, when you click it, and it will show you all the data that you're gonna keep it, and I will show you guys how to put the data in it. But right now I'm going to finish decorating my form. So right now I'm finished putting it. So right now for label number 4, I'm gonna put a new tool. It's called radial bottom. Here, radial bottom. Here. And right now I'm going to change a label name. Do it. We do it in the same way. For the name, we're going to find the word text here. Text. So label number 1. I'm going to change it to table num. Is where I'm going to put table number. And for second label, I'm going to change it to food. So what type of food I'm going to put it in. And then I will change it, all of it, and I will show you guys when I'm finished it. So as you guys can see, I'm finished putting the name of each label and radial bottom. For the radial bottom, I'm going to put a dot in it. So we're going to find the word checks here, checks, and turn it to true. As you see, it's a dot. So this radial bottom is allowing me to choose whether the customer have a member card or not. Because if they have a member card, they're gonna get a 10% discount, and if they don't have it, they like pay full price of it. They pay full price of the food that they eat. And I'm gonna need some more button. It's the start button and the clear bottom. So the last tool we're gonna need is datagridview, and we're going to get it. Here it is, datagridview. So this thing is will show you the data. Wait, let me show you the picture. Here you see. So this data grid view is going to show you guys all the data that I put in here when I click the start button, and it start to calculate it, and it will show all the data at here into this column down here. So let's go back to form, and now let's start creating each column. So click this bottom right here and click add column. So the first column I want to be ID column, and change the header text. Then another column I'm going to put it food. So right now I'm finished adding the column in the data grid view, and right now I'm finished decorating my form, as you guys can see. So let's start writing code in it. So I'm going to write it in start button. Then you can see this form pop out, and you're going to write code in it. And right now I'm going to need double and object, and this quantity of food and drink is the same as here, but you guys will see how different I'm going to use it. And now let's go back to form. So for this text box you gonna need a code for it, but I'm gonna do it later, because this table num is mean that I can only put number in it but not word. But also for this combo box, for this one I'm gonna put food, a type of food in it, and this one for drink, and this one, both of this, both for this combo box I'm gonna put a type of food, and this one a type of drink, and this two combo box is for a quantity of food and drink. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to put data in this combo box. For this one I'm going to put a type of food, but right now I'm going to find the word item here, item, and click here. As you guys can see, I already put a list of my food here, so you guys can copy it from the internet or type it by yourself. Then click OK. And also for drink, I already put it here for the drink, and for this quantity I also already put it from 1 to 10. So right now let's go back to code. Okay, so for the first code I'm going to write food equal cb food dot selected item, because I'm going to write a code that going to call out each food in this combo box. So I'm going to call out if cb food dot selected index equal number 0. Number 0 is pizza, and the price of pizza will be $10. As you guys can see here, number 0 equal pizza. So this code it means that if the person choose pizza in the food type combo box, the price will be $10. So these codes mean that if you click on pizza in the combo box, the price of it will be $10. And I will show you another one. Elif cb food dot select index equal number 1. The price will be 1.50. So if they click on a second food in the combo box, it will charge them $1.5. And I will do all the rest of it, and I will do all the rest of the food, and I will show you guys when I finish it. So as you guys can see, I'm finished writing it. It's quite the same, just change the index number and the price of the food you want to set it. And right now I'm going to write a code of a of a food quality. So I'm going to call out Q food equal CBQ food. So this quantity of food is going to be in combo box of its quantity dot selected item. It's kind of the same as the first code, but it is very simple. Then you're going to call out if again, if CB food selected index as number 0, the quantity of food will equal number 1, and elif selected index equal 1, sure is going to be number 2. So as you guys can see, I already finished writing a quantity of food, and I also finished writing a code of drink. It's quite similar to a code of food because it have the same index and price of a drink, and also a code F of a drink quality is the same as the food quality. And right now I'm going to write a code for this discount, but this one it use radio bottom do the payment code. So I'm gonna call it total equal f price multiply with qf quality of food and plus with the price multiply with qd, and then for a discount I'm going promotions equal total multiply with discount. So this will show the amount of money is going to be discount, and this code right here is your total payment that you're going to pay to the restaurant, the overall payment. And this code right here is where you going to put the amount of payment in the text box where it's going to be, and it need to convert into string, otherwise it isn't shown in the text box. So this is it, but if you stop right here, it only show you the payment. But we wanted to show all the data into a data grid view, and it's still in the start button because when we click start, all the data is going to be calculated, and it will show it here in the data grid view. Show the data in the data grid view, you got to call out the data grid view here. It's data grid view 1 is the name of our data grid view. Then dot row dot add. Now you guys need to call out a text that is going to show in the data grid view, but I already wrote it, so I just pass it, and I will explain you guys what is about. So this text name, it, so it's so for this txt name dot text, it is for this text box, and it will show this data. It will show here under ID columns, and this cbfood.text is for this combo box, and it will show it here. So it have to be in order for it to show. If it's not in order, so the data will like miss their place, and it is hard for you guys to look at it because it's not in the correct place. So it must be in order, like mine. So this is it, and now it's time to test it. But wait, I can see one mistake. So this one should be minus, not plus. And yeah, now it's time to test it. So for this text, I'm going to put number 1 for table number 1, food pizza, quantity 2, and drink. I'm going to choose Fanta in quantity 2, and I'm going to choose none, so non-member card, so no discount. See, pizza, quantity number 2, Fanta, 2 quantity, and discount no. Gotta choose none, and payment is 23. Now with a member card, you guys going to get a 10% discount. So see here, $2.3 is 10% of 23. So it's gonna cost you guys only $20.7. As I already mentioned you guys that in this text box, it's only allowed you guys to write only number, not word, because this is a table number. So now you can write word and number, but I will allow it to write only number, not word. So you guys don't need to click on this text box and then click on event and then find the word key press here, key press, and double click on it. So and you guys gonna write a code here. So this is the code as I already write it, so I will pass it here. So this code is allowed the text box to write only number, to show only number but not text. You cannot write any word in it. So I will test it right now. Yeah, when I click start, I click on this text box and I try to write a word. See, I cannot write word in it. I can write only number. For this time, table number 5, food. I want to change to hamburger. One hamburger only, and water. And yeah, 1 bottle of water. Non-discount. It cost me $3.5. But for discount, it cost me 3.50, 3.15, and the discount is 0.35. Yeah, on the right a code in a clear bottom. As you can see, I press it and it clear all my data here, and you guys can start typing a new data in it. Okay, here, and then you click the bottom, and then you click the bottom clear to clear it out. So this code I already write it in my last video, so if you guys want to check it out and look for more detail about it, it will be in my last video, and the link is gonna be in the descriptions. So I'm gonna show you the code of it. I already did it, so here it's quite simple. Last thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put a background in it, so I can look the same as I'm showing you right now. So I'm gonna click here. I'm going to find the word background here, background image, and here it is. So this is it, and I want to thank you guys for watching it. And if you like the video, put a thumbs up, and if you have any comments about me or question about code, put it in the comment sections, and don't forget to subscribe for more video, and see you guys later. Bye.